briefed the media in Pretoria, emphasizing that the total shutdown at most universities might lead to skill vacuums in the country.
They also highlighted concerns over academic brain drain at the institutions if the impasse isn't resolved. The lawyers also condemned police conduct during the Fees Must Fall protests, which have dipped tertiary institutions into sporadic violence.
There is a systematic and brutal attempt to clamp down on protesters, and that is what we as lawyers denounce. It should be mentioned also that as a country we're facing a risk, or the risk of not successfully completing the academic year should the government not intervene in this crisis.
Because of the seriousness of the protests and because of the spiraling destruction of property that we're seeing, that there's a pushback from the state which is undermining the rights that these students have to freedom of person, to the presumption of innocence, the right to a fair trial. We're starting to see these rights being eroded because the state is using police and using the court system in order to suppress protest rather than using it in order to enforce the law. The fact that we see students arrested, student leaders arrested, rather than people who can definitely be pointed out as people who have, for instance, burnt buildings, is seriously problematic.
Some universities